Boric acid, also known as hydrogen borate or orthoboric acid, is a naturally occurring compound with the chemical formula HBO. It appears as a white, odorless, crystalline powder or granule that dissolves easily in water, forming a weak acid solution. Known for its remarkable versatility, boric acid is widely used across a range of industries, including pharmaceuticals, agriculture, cosmetics, flame retardants, and industrial manufacturing. In medicine, it serves as an antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral agent, commonly used in eye washes, antiseptic powders, and skin treatments. Its low toxicity and soothing effect make it ideal for treating minor wounds and infections. In the agricultural sector, boric acid plays a key role as a micronutrient for plants, aiding in the development of cell walls and reproductive growth. It is also employed as a natural pesticide and insect repellent, especially effective against cockroaches, ants, and termites. Due to its ability to disrupt their digestive and nervous systems, this makes it a popular choice for eco-conscious pest control solutions. Beyond its medical and agricultural functions, boric acid finds critical applications in industrial processes. In the manufacturing of glass and ceramics, it enhances thermal resistance and chemical stability, particularly in borosilicate glass, which is widely used in laboratory ware and kitchenware. In metallurgy, boric acid serves as a flux agent to remove oxidation from metals and improve weld quality. Its role in the production of flame retardants is also vital, acting as a smoke suppressant and fire inhibitor when added to textiles, plastics, and wood treatments. In cosmetics and personal care products, boric acid is appreciated for its buffering capacity and antifungal properties, often included in powders, foot soaks, and lotions. Additionally, it functions as a pH adjuster and preservative in a variety of chemical formulations. With a unique combination of chemical stability, antimicrobial action, and environmental friendliness, boric acid remains a cornerstone compound in both domestic and industrial settings, offering safety, effectiveness, and sustainability in one simple molecule.